name's Helen Ding and I'm the Safeguarding Manager at the Eastbourne campus, and I also manage our Wellbeing team. So the Wellbeing team are there to support the students that we have on site, and they do that through a number of different ways. So they can be like a mentor, so that you can see your mentor reasonably regularly. We do that through either one-to-one, phone calls, text message or email, and you can talk to them about pretty much anything that goes on in your life or in college, whether that's friendships, whether your parents are driving you nuts, whether you need help with your course stuff, or whether you need to change courses, things aren't working well in any areas of your life. And they help you sort of smooth the way. They work as advocates for you and just make sure that your college and your education is running as smoothly as it can. If you find yourself struggling at college with anything, you can talk to your tutor in the first instance, and they will talk you through the Wellbeing team and what we can do for you, and if it's an appropriate thing for us to step in and help you, they will pop a referral through. You'll then be contacted by one of the mentors. So there's 4 people in my team at the moment and they're all really lovely. They will give you a call and arrange to meet with you and just have a chat with you. So what we can do is we can put in interventions or things in college to help you find your feet, whether it's just about you being new in college and needing some help to settle in, or whether there's a bigger picture and there's more stuff going on. We can also put in referrals to external agencies, so if you need some mental health support, there's another number of agencies that we work with, and we can refer you to those and help you meet a mentor from a different external agency, along with a whole range of other external agencies that we work alongside. It's been really lovely to be able to talk to you today about the Wellbeing service, and we look forward to welcoming you in September into the college.